Join the conversation on Facebook and Twitter with Good Day Dakota.
5:38, welcome back. 132 years ago, North Dakotans were digging out of one of the deadliest blizzards to hit the country. New this morning, Amber Wheeler joins us to explain the monster storm dubbed the Children's Blizzard in this week's Weatherwise. Amber?
Tim, the anniversary was this last Sunday on January 12th, and it was on this day in 1888, many in North Dakota and South Dakota, which at the time were known as the Dakota Territories, or the Dakota Territory, as well as Minnesota, Nebraska, and Iowa, were still counting the dead. The 1880s was a time of expansion. Many migrated from Scandinavia and Europe so they could worship as they pleased, escape poverty, and start a new life. The population skyrocketed from just over 135,000 to over 500,000. The number of farms went from just over 17,000 to about 95,000. In written testimony, this land was described as a blessing with fertile ground and millions of acres to be farmed. But the homesteaders also understood the hardships of drought, grass fires, swarms of grasshoppers, and blizzards. But this blizzard tested their limits and resulted in many leaving the area. The beginning of January that year was brutally cold. The highs were sub-zero and the lows around Bismarck were about -30. An unusually warm air mass moved in from the Gulf on the morning of January 12th. Many areas were reporting temperatures well above freezing, but this warmth was actually fuel to the storm that would hit later that day. With sparse and untimely weather data, forecasters were not able to see the cold wave, which is now referred to as a cold front. And if they were able to get timely data to show the temperature and pressure drops upstream in western Montana, they would have been able to see this impending storm. Instead, they didn't get the data until early the next morning, early on January 12th. A telegram was sent out, but it was too late. Most people were out enjoying the warmth, and they had no clue that these were their last kind hours. Now, the cold front inside the storm, it hit hard, and it was described as a wall of ice with even a rumbling sound. The temperatures plunged to 40 below with 60-mile-per-hour wind, and classrooms were full for the first time since Christmas because it was so blistering cold up until then. It hit without warning, and with total blindness from the snow and 60-mile-per-hour wind, the children couldn't get home. Farmers were caught out in the fields. No one was dressed to survive since it had been so unseasonably warm that day. Some tried to escape the wind in haystacks or wherever they could find comfort. And unfortunately, the death toll has been estimated to be between 200 and 500, with some dying well after the storm due to their injuries. Most of the deaths were children who died trying to get home, which is why it's unfortunately called the Children's Blizzard. The shock was felt around the country. And I have newspaper articles from as far away as Fort Worth and Indianapolis informing other Americans about the number who had perished here and really in the Plain States and in the Midwest. And I have even more information about this storm on KXNet.com. I've just hit the iceberg here. I'll have all these clippings of the newspaper articles and a book I recommend about the Children's Blizzard on KXNet.com. And Tim, you know, I think the reason for the mass casualties, and I've been doing a lot of research on this, was from the poor construction of the homes, the sod homes a lot of people lived in, also the schoolhouses, poor construction there, and because they didn't get information like they do now. They didn't have cell phones, they didn't have, you know, ways to get information in a timely manner, and so unfortunately they would get caught up in those things.
One of the more jarring things you said was sending out a telegram to let people know that this bad weather was coming.
And not everybody would get that telegram.
Yeah, of course. I mean, thank goodness for the technology we have now. It's life-saving technology.
Yes.
You realize it when you hear stories like that. Thanks, Amber. Well, there's still plenty of news and weather ahead on Good Day Dakota, including